Today's video, thankful and thriving. Thankful for a great harvest. Didn't get carrots, but we did get some potatoes, leeks, a lot of parsnips, turnips, some parsley. So this year was not a good year for gardening, but but for whatever food we did get from the garden, we are thankful for that. Number 2, my loofah plant. I ended up with one whole loofah squash. So I'm not sure how I'm supposed to dry this. It's still really firm. So am I supposed to just wait till it dries out completely? Do I open it? I'm not really sure. But I'm thankful for this one full fruit, and I have one smaller one up here. So thankful for my loofah plants. Number 3, all my pine cones that I picked. Pine cone and spruce cones. So this is, I'm working on a project and I'm waiting for this to dry out a little bit. So number 3, thankful for all the pine cones that I picked in the forest. Number 4, thankful for the pumpkins that I grew this year. Like I said, this year was not a good year for most of the vegetables. So this is what I ended up with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little Hokkaido pumpkins. But still thankful. They're going to make wonderful pumpkin pie. Do you have extra cabbage, leftovers, and turnips? Turn it into a soup. Very delicious soup, actually. Cut the vegetables up into pieces. Add water, some salt, some other seasonings, whatever you like. And you have a soup that can feed a lot of people, one pot, and on minimal amount. I added some little soup pearls to the soup. Then you can add croutons or cubes or just dried bread. And you have a wonderful soup. Cabbage and turnip soup that is filling, and it can feed a lot of people on a minimal budget. So, and it actually tastes really, really good. Okay, I'm going to go eat. Number 5, I made a loaf of barley bread. This is so good. So barley flour, some white flour, and it turned out better than I anticipated. It is soft and squishy, but it is so good. And it is excellent for digestion. Oh my gosh. So it did collapse a little bit in the oven, but no big deal. The taste is still there. And I put in the bag overnight, and it is still soft. All sides are completely soft. Yeah, this bread is so tasty. So there are my 5 thankful things for this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time.